Hi, I'm Marta McCall. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make these things from Dollar Tree supplies. I love this snowball wreath for $4. It's super easy and fun to make. Make this soft, velvety 11 by 13.5-inch pillow out of a surprising fabric. You can make this feathery snowdrift wreath for $8. And upgrade this plain glass candle quickly. Wouldn't it make a cute gift? Make a whimsical snowy textured vase just for the fun of it. And I'll show you how to paint metal and glass to complete the winter white collection. There's an inexpensive paint that works perfectly for this application. If you like this video, and there are many, many more coming, I would be so grateful if you would support this channel by liking, subscribing, telling your friends, and ringing the bell. Okay, let's go. I love this snowball wreath. Here's what you'll need from the Dollar Tree: 2 bags of cotton balls, a small wreath, and a container of spackle. I recommend painting the wreath white first with this inexpensive white flat finish spray from Home Depot. But at this time of year, spray painting can be difficult to do. The other option is to pick up this white tape from Dollar Tree and wrap the entire wreath form with it. Start with damp hands and pick up a cotton ball. Add a dollop of spackle and roll the cotton ball between your palms until it gets firm. In real time, this is easiest done at a sink. Wet your hands. Pick up a cotton ball, add some spackle, you can always add more, and roll the cotton ball. Apply more and more pressure until you can feel the cotton ball get harder. You can shape it too. Once it's to your liking, set it on wax paper or aluminum foil to dry. Roll the entire first bag of cotton balls. Once they're dry, you'll attach them using a glue gun starting at the inside of the wreath. Try to keep each of the 6 rows as symmetrical as you can. Once you've used all the balls you've rolled and dried, you'll have an idea of how many more you'll need to make. I used a burlap ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, to hang it, and that's it. I was tickled when I made this first pillow cover out of a car chamois. Who would have thought? Pick up a car chamois like this in the Dollar Tree automotive section. Fold it over and pin, leaving the center section open so it can be filled. You can sew it using a machine or by hand. If you're sewing by hand, use a backstitch. It's easy. Here's how. I'm using red thread and large stitches so you can see what I'm doing, but you'll use white and a little smaller stitch. Start at the corner next to the fold. Pull the needle through from the front to the back and take a small stitch and pull through. On the next stitch, go backwards to the last stitch that is visible. Push the needle through and take another stitch ahead of where your thread is coming out, like this. Continue backstitching like this until you get to the center break and tie a knot. This is an easy project to finish in front of the TV. Turn the pillow cover right side out and stuff it using fiberfill, or take apart an old pillow and use that. As you can see, I like my pillows very fat. To close the center hole, do a whip stitch. It's easy. Here's how. Tie a knot, pull the thread through from the inside and to the left of the opening to hide the knot. Then take a stitch through the right side of the fabric. Then guide the needle to come up again on the left. Pull the thread tightly. Now do it again, from right to left. That's a whip stitch, and it's a great pillow closure stitch. Once your opening is completely stitched, tie another knot like this, and your pillow is finished. If you'd like to add a detail ribbon like mine, get a roll of linen wired ribbon like this at the Dollar Tree and simply wrap it around the pillow and tie it in the back. And there you have it, a $1 pillow cover. It's cute and soft too. This feather wreath is made from boas found in the children's toy aisle. I use 7 of them and one wire wreath form like this. I've also seen longer boas on Amazon, which I'll link below. This wreath is fluffy and fluttery and reminds me of snow. I love it for winter. Honestly, it couldn't be easier to make. Take one end of the boa, secure it to the wire wreath with hot glue. Wrap it, hiding the form until you get to the end of the boa, and secure it again with hot glue. Start the next one and repeat for all 7 boas. That's it. In no time, you'll have a wreath like this. I wanted to show you all the things from Dollar Tree that you can paint with inexpensive flat white paint. It covers glass, metal, and plastic easily, so you can paint a collection of $1 or thrifted pieces to cover their flaws or simply make them the color you like. I get this inexpensive spray paint from Home Depot. It really covers. Here's the first group I sprayed. I like to stack pieces, and I use E6000 to permanently secure them. Here's a candlestick, which I topped with a votive holder. Then sometimes I'll add another glass candle tray. This is a clear plastic tray I just sprayed on the back side so you can see the design from the front. I love spraying plastic fruit too. Remember these heavy press glasses from my Dollar Tree Decor haul video? Well, I sprayed one white. Love it as a vase. There are so many things you can spray. Have fun and experiment. I think these tall white glass candles have a lot of potential. I found a vintage bird graphic online, printed it, cut it to size, and Mod Podged it to the glass. I finished it by cutting Dollar Tree ribbon to cover the top and bottom of the print. I love it and will be making more. I like adding texture to home decor. This snowy vase is a case in point. I used a glass vase and tiny styrofoam beads from Dollar Tree, Super 77 adhesive spray, some masking tape, and optional flat white spray paint. Cover the bottom of your vase with masking tape to avoid getting adhesive on it. Spray 3 sides of your vase so that you can pick it up by the part that isn't sprayed. Fill a container or box with the styrofoam beads and immerse each side of the sprayed vase in it. If there are gaps, there's time before the adhesive dries so you can push individual beads into the spaces. Let the 3 sides dry, then spray the remaining side and repeat the process. Let that dry, and if you like, spray the entire outside with flat white spray paint. And there it is, a sweet collection of winter white. Thanks so much for watching. See you real soon.